Today we've learned 6 more Longview firefighters have been activated to help with potential water rescues in South Texas. Last week, 2 were sent to flooded areas, and another 6 members of the water rescue team were placed on standby. The Longview Fire Department is now telling us that yesterday, those 6 people were activated by Texas Task Force 1. We're told all the members have extensive water rescue training, including the use of ropes, boats, and helicopters. They are now stationed closer to the flooding, ready to deploy for those flood rescues.